Hey there YouTube, today is Monday, the 24th of June 2019, about 8:09 in the morning, and guess where we're at? If you guessed Brandywine Falls Provincial Park, BC Parks, then you are 100% correct. Because we are here, taking a short little stroll, go see a waterfall. That's about 230 feet tall, they're saying. And so that's what today's video is going to be about. So, stay tuned with me, and let's go check out the falls. Alright, so as we begin this trail, you can see that we run across this little covered bridge right here. Just a little walking bridge. Let's go through it and take a look, and we can hear some water. Keep out of water, falls below, it says. Okay, yeah, let's check this out. There you go. It's a pretty fast running water, actually. And as it goes away from us, pretty fast running down there too. And a little bit deep, I would say. A couple of feet at least. Alright, so let's complete the bridge. And then the sign. As you can see, Brandywine Falls is 300 meters to the right. To swim lake trails also, and lava lake trail is to the left, 2.7 kilometers. So, and you can see the Sea to Sky trail is here. So this is the trail. It's very wide, so that looks really good. And there's that water we just saw from the bridge right over there. Hold that up for you so you can see that. Pretty loud too. Don't know if it's coming through or not, but it's pretty loud. But anyway, just show you, there's some moss up on these rocks. Pretty hilly. A lot of pine trees. And a great big, very wide path. I'd say you could put, I don't know, 6 or 8 people wide here, easily not touching and walking side by side. So let's go to the falls and check those out unless we see something interesting beforehand. There's the fall. And that is high, and that is beautiful. See the green water down there? And then it runs off down that away and goes out there to that lake about there. So, see the big high cliffs? And that really is gorgeous. Worth the stop, and this is, I don't know, maybe a 5-minute walk at best. They say 15, 5 minutes. Alright, let's take a few pictures. Alright, so we come to Welcome to the Whistler sign. So you can see we've made it there. And lo and behold, who else has made it here? Why, it's Mr. and Mrs. Dragon. Look at them enjoying their stay here at Whistler. Let's get the whole thing. There they are. How good is that? And where's their traveling vehicle? Well, let's take a look. Right there's their FJ that they're traveling in. They're way back there at that sign, as you can see. And then we're gonna show you the Mini right there. And the dragons are up there at the sign, as you just saw. Alright, so this is the Red Dragon Adventures continuing on. Alright, so we've come a ways down the road from the last waterfall I showed you at Brandywine. So here we are at Brandywine Falls Provincial Park. Kind of give you a quick little overview of this area. Waterfalls down there to the right according to that sign. So we're going to head down that way and see what we can see. Alright. Alright, so we're starting here. Just got inside the park. Look up right through those trees. You'll see some clouds, but you also see snow up on top of those mountains.
Oh yeah, and you can see water running down through.
Yeah, it's so small you ain't going to see it on this. But here, this is the river. And you can see it does have that jade green color. You can really see it right through there. Or you should be able to. And all the way through there. I mean, it sure looks that way with the human eye. I can tell you that. I don't know about this video, but it's jade green. And that's what the advertisement says, is that the waterfall falls into a jade green river. Okay, this is just a secret to the forest. Got a woodpecker on there and a snake. But we're going to be heading up that way, up the trail here in a second, and we'll show you whatever we see. Alright, so we're walking on the trail here. You see this river, and I hope this jade green color is really coming through, because this is greener than it was at the beginning. And yeah, you get that big gigantic rock over there. You can see that with the water down in the mountain with more snow up there and some clouds floating around. So very nice little scene here. Here's more of the trail. This is kind of rocky actually. So if you come on this one, wear some good shoes. We're wearing some hiking boots. I'll show you here. There you can see my hiking boots. So a little bit rocky. It's pretty sheer drop-offs here. You'd roll right down to that river and it would hurt getting down there, I can tell you that. So I'll just show you a little bit up this way. See all the moss and some rocks and trees and some old logs just laying down like this one up here. See right through the woods. So pretty nice scenes. So let's keep going and see if we can get to this fall. Alright, so here's the Nairn Falls. Right over there. That is loud, that is crashing, that is fast. And then you can see some of it. See it swirling around over there, right in that area. And then of course that swoops around, comes down into this green color, and then look. Very green. Very, very green, all the way down there. Okay, so we've come down lower, and this is where the water comes out, of course. I hope you're hearing that sound, I'm sure you are, but look how absolutely crazy that fall is. You see the green in it. And look at all this mist coming off of it here. And then how it's got a dead end up that end, so it just gets itself beat all to pieces. Then it starts going down here. Let's go look further. Alright, so here's what it looks like. Here to show you, that's where it was coming from. You see all that green over there. And look at the water down here just swirling around. Out. And far away. Pretty cool scene, huh? Very massive, very good stop. And here, just to show you, look how tall these trees are and how green they are. Of course, they get plenty of water around here, so no problem with that. And there you go, there's a look back. All right, pretty cool. Let's go do the next thing. Hey there, YouTube. So we've been still on the 99 here. See the Sky Hiway, and we have come down such steep grades. There was two that were rated at 13%, one for 1 for 2 kilometers. And there was another one that I don't even see the grade on it, and I guarantee it was even steeper. We come down for quite a while. I got here, and my brakes were literally smoking. I had blue smoke coming out of both sides, these wheels up here, and that's the brakes I just had replaced a couple of days ago in Washington. So this is so steep and so heavy, and yet my trailer brakes are working, that my brakes overheated. So I got to let them cool down. But anyhow, I guess if you have to set and let something cool down, this is not the worst area that you could be stuck in. And you can see we are surrounded by mountains here. Kind of reminds me of Hiway or Silverton in that area in Colorado. This is our road. Did talk to a guy, and he said that we're actually almost down to the bottom, so it ain't too bad. We'll just let her set for a little while, and we should be in good shape. But just wanted to show you around and explain this little problem, and then we'll take off in a little while and hopefully get down safe.